All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about how to add dictionary items. So adding items. Adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. To update a dictionary, the update method will update the dictionary with items from a given argument. If the item does not exist, the item will be added. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with the key value pairs. So with that, let's jump into our notebook and take a look at this. All right, so we're inside of our notebook here, and the first thing I want to talk about is adding items. So adding an item to the dictionary is done by using a new index key and assigning a value to it. Okay, so what we can do is if I grab our data here, and let me scroll up a little bit because I want to just grab this right here. We're going to copy that and paste it down here. And then what I want to do is we're going to do our dictionary, and then brackets, we're going to do color, and we'll do equals red. And then we're going to print our dictionary. Okay, I'll run that. And what happens? We have company, Apple, model, iMac, year, 2020, color, red. Okay, so you can add more values to this. In fact, we could do another one. We could do, let's do, instead of color, let's do monitor size, okay? And then it will equal 27 inches. Okay, 27. And then run that. And now we have monitor size, 27 inches, okay? So that's how you can add items. To update the dictionary, we can use the update method, which will update the dictionary with the items from a given argument. If the item does not exist, the item will be added. The argument must be a dictionary or an iterable object with the key value pairs. Now, if it doesn't have both, it will not work. So what they're talking about is this. If I go here, and it's similar to what we did here. So if I go here and we, instead of doing all this, let's delete all that, and we just do our dictionary, and we do dot update, we do round brackets and then curly brackets, and we do color in quotes and then colon, and then we do red in quotes. And then we print our dictionary, right? What do we get? We get company, Apple, model, iMac, year 2020, color, red. Okay, so the iMac will be red. Okay, so that's how you add items with dictionaries. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.